Hi, in this subsection, we will learn about the key machine learning concepts like features and labels. Let's take an example of predicting the price of a house. What's the output that we want in predicting the price of a house? Well, in order to predict the price of a house, we need to know the size of the house, the location of the house, how old the house is, and many other factors. In machine learning, the price we want to predict is the label. The attributes we use as input for that prediction process are called features. Let's take another example of predicting whether an email is spam or not. Example features can be whether the email contains words like free or multiple exclamation marks to induce excitement, and whether the email is sent at wee hours by an unknown sender. These are features that are used to ultimately label whether the email is spam or not. So features are input characteristics or attributes that a machine learning model uses to make predictions, like the size of a house, pixel of an image, or words in a text. Think of features as pieces of information about each item or example in the dataset that the model can analyze and use to learn patterns. Features are essential because they directly affect the model's ability to make accurate predictions. High-quality, relevant features allow the model to learn meaningful patterns and relationships within the data, while irrelevant or low-quality features can confuse or mislead the model, reducing its accuracy. There are many types of features. Features can be numerical, represented by numbers, include things like age, price, height. Features can be represented by categories like the brand of a product, type of housing, or names of city. Features can be represented by states, whether something is true or false, yes or no, or presence or absence of a feature. Features can be text-based information as well, like product reviews or social media posts, often transformed into numerical representations before use. Features can also be created by transforming or combining existing features to produce more meaningful information, like calculating what's the price per square foot. In machine learning, labels are the output or target values we want the model to predict, like price of house, category of an image, a dog, or a type of email, spam or not spam, social. In supervised learning, a model is created by analyzing appropriate labels. A model repeatedly analyzes the features, which are input variables of data, and compares its predictions, which are labels, and then the model improves over time.